This micro-credential deals with basic blueprint reading in the welding industry and covers 3 targeted skills. This targeted skill covers blueprint views and layout. A blueprint is a technical drawing that is used to show how a product is to be put together and designed. There are many working parts to a blueprint. In order to show a proper visualization of the part, there may be several different views drawn, different lines used to represent different meanings, as well as specific weld symbols that show where to put the weld, the size of the weld, and how long the weld should be. A detailed blueprint can show important information such as the object's shape, size, thickness, diameter, and the location of individualized parts. Blueprints are drawn in 2 basic variations. The first and most common variation is called third angle projection. The front view of the object will always appear in the bottom left-hand corner of the blueprint. The top view will appear above the front view, and the right side view will appear directly to the right of the front view. Each one of these views will line up so that all lines of the view are transparent. The second variation is called first angle projection. The front view will appear in the top right corner. The top view will appear in the bottom right corner, and the right side view will appear in the top left corner of the blueprint. It should be noted, the front view is the most important view. The majority of information can be attained from the front view of the drawing. The other views are used to communicate depth, orientation, and additional dimensions. Depending on the size and complexity of the object being built, there may be several pages to a blueprint. It is important for the person reading the blueprint to take in all of the information so that the part can be built correctly. When there are multiple pages to a blueprint, this will be specified in the title block. The title block is located in the bottom right-hand corner of a blueprint. It holds a lot of useful information, including the company name, part name, quantity required, drawing number, number of pages, scale of the drawing, tolerances, the name of the engineer who drew it, as well as who signed off on the drawing. When additional information is required, this can be added in as a note. Notes are generally located in the top right corner of a drawing. In this blueprint, they are located on the bottom left. General notes can tell you additional information that may not be able to be listed on the drawing. This information can include revisions to the blueprint that have been made, as well as penetration and burn-through specifications. It is up to the person fabricating the part to utilize all of the information on the blueprint to build the part correctly. Everyone in the welding industry needs to be aware of the basic components of a blueprint and how they impact the final product.